welcome to the video. In today's video you'll see we take off the standard split pipe Triumph stock system off and we're putting on a single pipe low down. It is custom built and you will see the process of what we did, how we did it in today's video. Let's get started. These are the materials we're going to be using to make the exhaust today. We've got 316 stainless steel sheet. That's for the main part of the body. That's going to be the tip. We've got 316 reducers, 3 inch to 2 inch, which is also for the start of the exhaust and then inverted for the end of the exhaust. We've got 4-stroke silencer packing material. That's going to go between the sheet and the perforated tube. And you'll see the process when we start rolling. Now you can see the pieces have been rolled. That's the main part of the cone exhaust, and then you've got the tip. Now what we do is we just tack these together. There you can see it's all tacked together. Now we'll take the top to the bottom. For the exhaust packing, we took the exhaust silencer, laid it over the packing material, roughly cut it up, stuffed that packing material inside, realized we had too much so I had to trim a little bit off, and then stuffed the perforated tube in, and then filled the extra gaps with some extra material. To take off the exhaust, we need to loosen those 2 bolts over there. We need to loosen the bolt behind here. We're going to have to loosen that one over there. We're going to loosen the hanger over there. We're going to take off the O2 sensor, and then we need to loosen the headers and take the headers out. So that's loose. Yeah, you can see the header with the cat and the O2 sensor port before we cut it up.
Dip your finger and touch it and tell me before.
Not a chance in hell. There you can see the sort of finished product once we had finished welding up the exhaust to the manifold once we cut the cat out. so much neater without the tailpipes. Now I have to just make a tail tidy.